I think it's all up to, I don't know what she's gonna do. I feel like Jinu's gotta do something, but I don't know what he's gonna do. I honestly don't know how this is gonna be resolved. This is such an interesting concept that like I don't even know like how she's supposed to resolve this.
Keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, good I'll see in your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary. No, I'm the only one right now.
That looks dope.
More than power, more than gold. Yeah, you gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul. I'm the only one who loves your sins. Feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin.
Wait, literally.
Listen, 'cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Give me your desire. I can be the star you rely on. Never go to jail, you can't look away. Don't you know I'm here to save?
Love that.
Baby, run the mile. Yeah, I'm all you need, I'ma be your idol. Reaching on a flame, cancel what I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, 'cause it got me going viral. Yeah.
Viral, like a virus.
To the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Give me your desire. Watch me set your world on fire. There's one on the chair, you can't look away. No one is coming to save.
Like they're all walking to their death. That's so trippy.
We are hunters, voices strong, slaying demons with our song. Fix the world and make it right. When darkness finally meets the light.
You come here like this, you think you can fix the world? You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And now, everyone finally sees you for what you
Her voice has
really
changed,
are.
They do.
And the whole moon is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.
A new one.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even
She still has her
I
voice.
don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Because she's embracing herself, yeah.
Cover up the color stuck inside my head. I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like.
Stop this!
Because they didn't have the real.
We're shattering the silence. We're rising.
They could have made a song like this.
Shouting in the
Yeah.
quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
Woo! This song is better than Your Idol.
Broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty
you gonna do, Gino?
Your voices do not defeat.
Damn. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Gino! Oppa!
Jinu, no.
Or should I say,
I'm sorry for everything.
Grandpa?
No. I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.
Oh, wow. Oh! Damn! She sucked in his soul. Because she got the hunter, or the demon ability. That's dope. That's a cool idea. Okay, choir. Trap choir. Now she's gonna steal their souls.
You're just my type. Oh well.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The sky's a part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we
Oh, that's cool how they incorporate the choir because now they got the voices of everyone.
head up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead? Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Truth after all this time, our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this
Oh, cool. Isn't that Soul Tower? Or is it Namsan or is it Soul Tower? I don't know.
I love my girls.
Oh yeah, I guess they can't suck up the soul because they're just hunters. A quick shout out to the patrons who help this channel do what it does. You can now watch K-pop Demon Hunters with me on Patreon, of course uncensored. Go check it out. Link will be in the description.